Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube. You've subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. It does help the channel. Also, before we get into the video, please hit that thumbs up. It does really help the video. So this is a video I'm doing for a request, a viewer request again. They asked me what are my thoughts on Bittorrent, and I'm assuming, right? So I did ask the question. I said, is it the Bittorrent the software or Bittorrent the coin? And I'm assuming it's coin because obviously it's mostly a coin related question, I believe. I mean, Bittorrent, the software, I love, right? It's one of the best softwares ever created in history. And we can go on a long history of that one to understand more things. And there's a funny fact about Bittorrent, the actual software as well. A lot of people don't know the history and the relationship with Bitcoin. So there is a long history involved in that. I can do a deep video in that one if you want. But other than that, I'm going to go straight into the Bittorrent chart and just kind of show you what I'm seeing. So if you look at the history of the Bittorrent token, you can see how we had the high, the previous high, and we've just peaked above it. We haven't confirmed, so we haven't had a weekly candle above the we haven't had a weekly candle above it yet to confirm this to be our new all-time high yet. I mean, we have touched it, but I wouldn't really call it a confirmation. On the dailies, as you can see, this is where it's played out, where we've just peaked above it, but we got rejected. Now, going back to the weekly, so we can see a larger time frame, you can see that this is the market top that we want to beat, the all-time high, and currently we are pushing for it. And the past few weeks it has been very bullish. So going back to one of the fundamentals that I use is like every time we push above these resistance line, we will eventually break above, right? So just to stick around that and say, okay, we are going to break above. What's the potential? So what are we looking at that we're going to break above? So if I just take a Fibonacci level here and just kind of zoom into it just to show you what I'm seeing, right? So just zooming in and we look at this. So remember, our golden ratio pocket is around here, 1618. So from today's so this is 3 days ago, oh sorry, 3 weeks ago, my bad, 3 weeks ago we did peak out. But if I just take it from here, you can see that we are eventually going to break above this line, and when we do, our each resistance lines that we can see, so each Fibonacci is a resistance, is a psychological resistance. But remember, whenever we go up, there is no limit to how high we can go. But ultimately, our most moderate target should be the 1618 level. So that's what I'm expecting the Bittorrent to go. It is a bull run, so remember, during a bull cycle, we do expect these things to happen where we will go and hit the top marks. So it's going to be a real short one, just with the Bittorrent. So I'm hoping this helps you understand that what kind of targets we're looking at. So I would potentially look at the 1618 level as my new thing, and the 1618 level is showing a 0.003 of a dollar, right? So you know, currently we're sitting at what's the current price we're sitting at? Let's have a look and see where we are. So currently, let me go into, let's have a look. Give me a second, please. Okay, our current price we've got right now is 0.001 is the highest. So 0.00128 is the highest. So we are going to definitely, if we do go to the Fibonacci 1618 level, we are looking at a 3x approximately. So don't hold me to it. We can potentially go even further than that. So yeah, I mean, it's looking very good. The signals are very good. Also on the charts, you know, the 1618 is a brilliant number just to look at. So if you do invest in it now, you should potentially make 3x on it minimum, right? At least, you know, but even if you do 1x, the Fibonacci levels are showing that's also possible as well. So other than that, I do own a little bit of Bittorrent, and I have to be honest with you. So let me take you back to the charts, right? I have to be honest with you. When I bought Bittorrent, right? So I actually bought Bittorrent around these levels here after it launched, and it dumped. And then after that, I just kind of just left it because the market just kept on going down. For me to get out of the Bittorrent and, you know, come back in or take profits or whatever wasn't possible. So I was a bag holder of a Bittorrent for a very long time. So I do still hold it. I've got quite a large stash of it. Currently coming up to these prices, I am slightly in profit. But again, I'm not selling anything right now. I didn't buy Bittorrent to make money on it, to be honest. I do see a longer term perspective with Bittorrent. As I said, it has a relationship with Bitcoin, and I can go into this one if you want on another video. But other than that, guys, I'm going to cut this one short. I hope this helps you. Thank you very much for asking the question, and I hope this answers your question, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care, look after yourself. Okay.